All right, guys, we're here at the main door that we're going to be working on. Nate, thank you for the overview. Can you tell us why you chose this door and what you're hoping to teach the viewers at home?
Sure, love to. So we picked this door for a couple reasons. This door was salvaged from Northeast Restorations.
Up in Seabrook.
Up in, Seabrook, Southampton, right
yep.
there. Ever since she bought it, she's been having troubles with bubbling. And we feel the best way is just to take it down and start over from scratch.
Yep.
So we have 3 different techniques that we normally use. The first one is just old-fashioned scrape and sand. The second would be a paint remover with a chemical application.
Yep.
And the last one would be the infrared stripper.
Excellent.
And you use the infrared now because this has the potential for lead, and the infrared won't cause smoke.
Stay tuned. We're going to talk a lot about infrared and when you would use which application, which technique. But just, I'm curious, Nathan, why is it bubbling in the first place?
Who knows?
Yeah.
I did a quick patch here.
Yep.
And it looks like it was varnished originally. And paint doesn't like to stick to varnish.
Got it.
Unless it's prepped correctly. It can. You just need to use the appropriate primer.
Yep.
And take the sheen off the varnish prior.
So, predictable answer here, it goes to 90% of the work is in the prep, and you never know what you're going to find underneath that green paint. Oh, it's varnished, and you're just going to repeat the problem unless you hire a professional like American Renaissance. So thank you guys for tuning in to the first episode. Stay tuned. Nate's got a lot to share with you. We'll see you next time.